Hi, I'm Sweta. Today I'm attending the webinar organized by Asian Teacher Training Institute. Our associate Juma Madam gave all the information regarding social wellness and social behavior of our young learners or young ones. Who is our India future is? They need all the social behavior to know how they behave in our social activities. They all know. So today we get lots of information about social behavior. She gave more and more information about social behavior. She explained very well for which is helpful for upcoming future for me also and for me kids for my kids also, because we all know that home is the first place to get the basic knowledge of all these things. So social behaviors, today's class is going in superb way. Thank you, ma'am, for giving all these details explanation on the social being behaviors. Thank you, ma'am.